Hello family, today we are doing an effective hair growth treatment. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. We are starting off with our one and only good ingredient, olive oil or extra virgin olive oil. Sorry for spilling the oil, I couldn't find my funnel, but then I cleaned everything afterwards. So we are using oil here as a pre-poo before I go into the actual treatment. So this is the actual treatment. I'm using mayonnaise today, like mayonnaise. I've been seeing this on the internet and I wanted to try it myself. I wasn't very sure if my hair was going to give me a good response or not. Because I didn't want to be so on the negative side, I added honey to it. So if there's going to be any bad effect, honey is going to stabilize or neutralize everything. So I added about 4 tablespoons of honey and then stirred it vigorously. This is almost like a protein treatment because mayonnaise is full of egg, like it's full of eggs. So using this as a protein treatment is a good way. I also added just a few drops of my olive oil just to, lighten up the mixture a bit. This is my hair and it's really dry. We are in the dry season here in Ghana and my hair is always getting dried up. And I refuse to go and put my hair in braids or wear wigs, so I'll always have to moisturize it. I start off by spritzing some small water just to loosen up the hair a bit before going in with my pre-poo. So my hair is very dirty. The last braids I did lasted for a month and I wasn't really ready to wash. I wanted to wash later. And I wasn't really bothered about not washing my hair because I washed my hair in braids. So in this treatment, I'm doing like a wash day, including deep condition with the mayonnaise. So yes, I start off with my pre-poo. I usually use coconut oil to do my pre-poo, but this time I wanted to use olive oil. Olive oil because my scalp was really dirty and I'm beginning to develop some dandruff, or I don't really know what it is on my scalp. And olive oil is something that really softens any hard thing on the skin. It really does. That's why I decided to use olive oil this time around and use it as my pre-poo rather than the coconut oil. And we all know the usual pre-poo where you apply your oil, you wear your steamer cap, and then you wait for about a few minutes before going to shampoo your hair. This is my hair and I really love the progress of my hair. Like, I love it. Like going natural. I mean, I was natural before, but deciding to take care of my hair is like one of the best decisions I took in 2021 and 2022, and it has really helped me. It has really helped me. It's important to spread some water on your hair before going in with either oil or any treatment because the water helps the hair to loosen up in order to accept any product that it is introduced to. Like, it softens the hair naturally, and water is like a neutralizer. It's a universal solvent, so it really does a lot of good. In doing this, I take advantage to detangle my hair because I don't really comb my hair. In fact, I don't comb my hair, so I take the opportunity to do a lot of detangling when I have access to my hair, like in times like this. If you decide not to comb your hair, you should really make detangling your best friend, else your hair is going to lock. Like, you are going to get locks and you wouldn't really like the results. Can you see how bouncy my hair became just using olive oil? So I am done applying the olive oil throughout my hair. You can tell the mess, like my whole body is oily, my face is oily and everything, but I really felt that the dirt on my scalp had loosened up. Even before wearing my steamer cap, like, I felt that the dirt on my scalp had softened, and if I just washed it out, everything was going to leave my hair. I'll be telling you the reason why I decided to use mayonnaise and the benefits of using mayonnaise for your hair, even though I wasn't sure in the first place. So I stayed under the steamer for about 10 minutes and then went into the shower. But before going into the shower, I could feel the softness of my hair. I could feel that my scalp, the flakes that I had on my scalp had really softened. Like, I just needed to go and wash off every dirt in my hair. And it's important to wash off the dirt before going in with a deep conditioner so that your hair is, the treatment you are doing is starting in from a freshly washed hair. This is the magic ingredients: mayonnaise, olive oil, and honey. And this is what I'll be using for today's treatment. I honestly wasn't sure what I was doing because this is the first time. I was really seeing it on social media, and people were trying mayonnaise with avocado and other things, but I just didn't have the other fruits, so I wanted to just use mayonnaise and honey. So I just decided to give it a try myself. After all, what's the worst thing that can happen? The worst thing was really going to break me, but I was ready for it. And I wasn't sure. I honestly wasn't sure. And the main ingredients in mayonnaise are egg and oil. Like, you can even read it from the description that egg is, like, it says about, let me say, over 15% of the ingredients. And so it is really high in protein. And we all know that protein helps strengthen and thicken the hair follicles. And olive oil, me introducing olive oil is also an added bonus. Like, it is really an added bonus. My hair really thickened up after I introduced the mayonnaise. Like, I could feel the bulkiness of my hair. I don't know whether it's a mayonnaise in it or my hair is just bulky. It just needed to have something in addition. You could tell from my face I wasn't sure. Like, I really wasn't sure. But I should be honest, I think I shed more than I usually shed. Yeah, I don't know whether it's because I braided for a month, so I was shedding my 1 month shedding. But I think that I lost more hair, not really more, but no, I know my hair and the amount I lose per every time I try to manipulate it. This time around it was more, but I think it was worth it because I really like how my hair felt. Like, I felt that there are a lot of healthy properties in mayonnaise, like promoting hair growth, because I really felt a change. I really liked how my hair felt. Initially, I wasn't sure. Like, you should see me even before I edited the video. I wasn't sure at all. I was like, what am I doing? Like, what am I doing? Am I really ready for this? So I went in with my steamer cup and then steamed my hair for another 10 minutes. I didn't want to do it for long because I was just in a haste to wash it out. And bingo, can you see the bounce? Like, I felt every bounce. You could tell how surprised that I was. Really shocked. Like, my hair, I don't think I've seen my hair bouncy like this in a while. It was very bouncy. And you know what it means when your natural hair is bouncy. Like, my natural hair girls, my natural hair ladies can attest to this. When your hair is bouncy, it's a good thing. I really felt like I couldn't stop doing this to my hair. I just couldn't stop. It felt so good holding my hair for it to leave me and then give it that bouncy shake. I went ahead and washed everything off, and I was so happy about the result. Like, you could tell that I moved from a frowny, confused face to a very smiley and happy face. Now, this is the time you need to this time you need to put your hair in braids very fast, because when your hair dries up, because it has become very bouncy, shrinkage is really high, and when it shrinks like that, it's going to curl against each other or around each other, and you end up losing a lot of hair because everything will end up breaking just because it has curled around each other. So this is a time for you to really try your best to put your hair in either twist or braids or cornrow, just to keep them in their own lane. If you don't, you're going to end up losing a lot of your hair. So this is a yes for me. I'm definitely trying this treatment again because I love the results. I really loved it. Please do well to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, bye.